Meet today's troublemakers. R. Rolling, vibrating, as in perro, perro. Double L, like white in yes. Lluvia, lluvia. J, a strong H sound. Jugo, jugo. And ñ, like NY and canyon. Niño, niño. Welcome back. Today's class is about that 4 tricky sounds that betray every Spanish beginner. R, double L, J, ñ. They don't exist in English, but once you master them, you will sound much more natural in Spanish. So grab your tongue, your breath, and let's train. R. El sonido vibrante. I know this sound is difficult. There's a tip. Put your tongue against the roof of your mouth, right behind your teeth. Blow air and let it vibrate, like a little motorcycle. Practice. Perro, rr, perro, carro, carro, ratón, ratón. Ojo, the double R is pronounced with a rolled R, but some words with a single R are also pronounced with the rolled R. For example, ratón, ratón. In Spanish, the rolled R vibrante múltiple appears with double R between vowels, like in perro, with single R at the beginning of a word, like ratón, and with single R after L, N, or S. Alrededor, Enrique, Israel. In all other positions, a single R is usually the top flap R, vibrante simple, as in caro, caro, expensive. Double L, the Spanish Y. In Latin America, we say it like the English Y in yes. Super easy. Think about that and it will be easy. Let's practice. Llave, llave. Lluvia, lluvia. Pollo, pollo. In some parts in Argentina or Uruguay, it sounds like a sh. For example, instead of llave is llave. Lluvia, lluvia. Pollo, pollo. But if you stick to the j sound, you will be understood everywhere. J, el sonido fuerte. It's like a English H, but stronger, coming from the throat. Imagine fogging up a window, or like a cat when it's angry. Let's practice. Jugo, jugo. Jamón, jamón. Jardín, jardín. Ñ, el sonido único. Smile a little and let your tongue touch the roof of your mouth while you're saying ni, ni, like canyon. Ni, ni, ni. Let's practice. Niño, niño. Año, año. Señor, señor. Okay, now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Tierra, guitarra, arroz. Calle, caballo, estrella. Jirafa, trabajo, reloj. bañera, araña, piñata. If this was helpful so far, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to learn Spanish like you. Okay, now let's put all these sounds together in a fun phrase. La estrella y el caballo comen arroz en la bañera con una piñata y un reloj. Okay, it doesn't have any sense. It's just to practice the sounds. Again, faster. La estrella y el caballo comen arroz en la bañera con una piñata y un reloj. Very good. You just practiced the 4 tricky sounds of Spanish. There are, I know, difficult sounds, but you have to keep practicing. If you master these sounds, you will sound much more natural in Spanish. So, see you in the next class. Hasta pronto!